Hi there, students. Entre nous. Entre nous. This is pure French. This is saying that something is a secret. It's just between you and me. That's the literal meaning of entre nous. Between you and me. So if I'm saying entre nous, I'm telling you that this is secret and you shouldn't tell anybody else. He told me, and this is strictly entre nous, that he's going to ask his girlfriend to marry him. Okay, this is a secret between you and me. You can't tell anybody else. It's between us. It's in confidence. Okay, I know I've told you about this plan, but please keep this phrase, this information, entre nous, until it comes out. So, entre nous, confidentially, in confidence, off the record. Yeah, this is not something that you can mention to somebody else. It could be between two people or between various people in a group. The information that I'm going to give you is secret, so I want you to keep this information entre nous until I tell you you can let it out. Okay, this is strictly entre nous. I have information that the company is going bankrupt, but this is entre nous. This is between ourselves. This is private. I'm telling you privately, between the two of us. Okay, he was very friendly with me. In fact, entre nous, a little bit too friendly. He was too friendly for my liking. So entre nous, between us. I think you might say in French, entre nous soit dit. But entre nous, between ourselves, between you and me, this is a secret, and I'm telling you this confidentially. So don't let anybody else know. I want you to keep this entre nous. Don't tell anyone else. Okay, so entre nous, I saw them checking into a hotel together while he was supposed to be on a business trip. Okay, so entre nous, this this problem could well lead to a court case. I thought this was going to be a really good thing, but privately and entre nous, it wasn't. Okay, so this entre nous is just saying something private. Let's see, could you give me some information about this? It would just be entre nous, but it would be very useful for me. So it would be private. I wouldn't say anything about it. Entre nous. I would use this in the same way as I would say it in French. Okay, so this is strictly entre nous and should not be told to anybody else. Okay, so entre nous, I think he eats too much. I think entre nous, I think he's got a problem with alcohol. Okay, so this is a way of saying that what I'm telling you is private, that I don't want anybody else to know that I've said this, but you're my friend and I trust you. So it's entre nous, it's between ourselves. It's something that in confidence. It's something that please don't tell anyone else. Okay, this is just entre nous. It's among ourselves, yeah, or between us or among ourselves. It depends how many there are. Entre nous, the marriage is over, and I think they're going to get divorced soon. Okay, so entre nous, it suggests a deep understanding between two people, and this is something that is private. Yeah, that is not to be told to anyone else. Okay, formality. Well, this is an adverb to start with as well, or an adverbial phrase. Formality. I think I'm going to give it a... I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality, although as it's French, it's a little bit posh. Yeah, it's not terribly posh, but it's certainly very, very middle class, this phrase, entre nous. And then, as I said, it comes from French, meaning the meaning entre, between, and nous, us, or among us. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Entre nous.